Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
Today, April 9, 2023, the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin have all increased compared to yesterday. The price of Bitcoin to USDT is $28,013.55, a 0.32% increase from $27,924.13. The price of Ethereum to USDT is $1855.13, a 0.06% increase from $1854.01. Lastly, the price of Binance Coin to USDT is $311.3, a 0.19% increase from $310.7. This is a positive sign for the cryptocurrency market, and we look forward to further growth.
Latest news.
Instagram and Facebook to discontinue NFT support on April 1, 2023. Facebook and Instagram have announced that they will no longer be supporting non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on April 1, 2023. Digital items on Instagram will stop working, and users will no longer be able to create new posts or access their old ones. Facebook and Instagram will delete digital item data, including wallet addresses, from their systems and no longer link users' accounts to third-party e-wallets. This is a major development for users of digital items on Instagram, as they will no longer be able to access or manage their items after the April 1, 2023 deadline. Facebook and Instagram have announced the end of support for non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on April 1, 2023. Digital items on Instagram will no longer be functional, and users will no longer be able to create new posts or access their old ones. Facebook and Instagram will delete digital item data, including wallet addresses, from their systems and no longer link users' accounts to third-party e-wallets. This will have a significant impact on users of digital items on Instagram, as they will no longer be able to access or manage their items after the April 1, 2023 deadline. On-chain gaming accounts for 45.6% of DApp activities in Q1 2023. According to a recent report from DApp Radar, blockchain gaming activity had an average of 791,474 daily unique active wallets in Q1 2023, a decrease of 8.58% from the previous quarter. Polygon saw a remarkable 53% increase in daily unique active wallets, becoming the second largest gaming chain. Additionally, investments in blockchain games and metaverse projects totaled $434 million in March, bringing the total for Q1 to $239 million. NFTs generated by Yuga Labs had a substantial trading volume of $147 million. Overall, the DApp industry activity in the first quarter of 2023 was largely driven by blockchain gaming. AI startups in blockchain analytics raise privacy concerns. Forbes. AI startups are using AI and NLP tools to analyze financial data, raising privacy concerns. Blocktrace, AI chatbot, Robbie the Robot, is an example of this technology and allows users to ask questions in natural language and receive responses based on Bitcoin blockchain data. Shielded transactions are a crucial way to protect personal information and prioritize privacy in blockchain. Forbes has highlighted the need for privacy tools to protect users in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. APE token staking in NFT pools puts investors at risk, says PeckShield. PeckShield, a blockchain security company, has issued a warning to users staking APE tokens in NFT pools after an exploiter bought a Bored Ape Yacht Club (BAYC) NFT and received staked APE associated with the sold NFT. Notably, the exploiter received 4.3K APE tokens of approximately 66K after buying BAYC 7800. PeckShield also warned users of the Sushi swap protocol to reverse approvals or move their funds to a new wallet following a bug in the Sushi swap's router processor 2 contract. Block SEC, a smart contract audit company, stopped an attack transaction, saving 100 ETH, equivalent to over $180,000. PeckShield urges users to be cautious when investing in NFT pools and to thoroughly research the mechanisms behind these investments. Private keys of staked ETH addresses at risk, warns Cobo founder. The upcoming Shanghai upgrade for Ethereum is generating interest in the crypto community, but increased scrutiny may harm the future of ETH. The founder of Cobo, Shinai, has warned that private keys of staked ETH addresses may be vulnerable to exposure. Despite the potential risks associated with the upgrade, validators on the Ethereum network are still supporting the upgrade and traders remain confident in the future of Ethereum, as evidenced by the increase in validators and the decrease in Ethereum options implied volatility. Steps must be taken to mitigate the risk of private key exposure and protect the Ethereum community. Kwon ordered to cease liquidating millions in crypto by prosecutors. South Korean authorities have been attempting to recover millions in criminal funds linked to former Terra chief executive Kwon, who is accused of fraud. Despite an arrest warrant and an Interpol red notice, Kwon managed to elude capture until March 23, when he was apprehended in Montenegro while attempting to travel with forged passports. Prosecutors have seized assets and requested Binance to freeze wallets related to Kwon, and both South Korea and the United States have requested his extradition. This case highlights the need for increased regulation and monitoring in the cryptocurrency industry. Bullish on Ethereum, survey shows community predicts new all-time high in 2023. The Ethereum community is bullish for the upcoming months, with a survey conducted by OKX showing that the majority of respondents expect ETH's price to hit a new all-time high and an increase in ETH staking around the time of the Subpoena upgrade. As of April 5, 2023, 17.9 million ETH had been staked on the Ethereum network, representing a significant amount of value equivalent to over 74 billion. Investors who stake their ETH can earn an annual percentage rate, APR, of 4.64%, and OKX plans to begin processing withdrawal requests for staked ETH within 1 week of the Subpoena upgrade. This survey reflects the growing maturity and adoption of the nascent industry, along with the confidence investors have regained with the thaw of the crypto winter. Dogecoin decline not a deterrent as majority of Doge holders remain in profit. Despite a 10% drawdown in Dogecoin's price over the past 2 days, 55% of investors remain in the money, with many having held their tokens for over a year. Whale transactions totaling over 2.89 billion were seen during the week, but have since eased up. Dogecoin is now back in line with the general crypto market, and although it has shed most of its gains, it is still above its Wooly, day and day moving averages. Dogecoin is currently down 9% in the last 24 hours, but is up 11% on the weekly chart with a daily volume of 1.3 billion. First nuclear-powered Bitcoin mine in U.S. reports Lincoln facilities energized in QE. TeraWulf, a leading Bitcoin mining company, has announced remarkable results for the month of March 2023. The company utilized over 91% of zero-carbon energy to power approximately 9,200 miners, resulting in an average operating hash rate of 3 EHS. This marks a 50% increase compared to February and a 65% increase in the first quarter of 2023. TeraWulf and Cumulus Data have also partnered to create Nautilus, America's first nuclear-powered Bitcoin mine. This pioneering facility has the potential to reduce the energy costs associated with Bitcoin mining and mitigate its environmental impact. Sushi's head chef addresses community concerns amid SEC subpoena. Jared Gray, head chef of Japan-based decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, Sushi, and his counsel has stated that no one associated with Sushi has violated U.S. federal security laws, and that Gray is cooperating with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, subpoena. Gray has proposed a 3 million Sushi DAO legal defense fund to protect core contributors and handle legal needs for operational continuity. Gray also announced that Sushi's newly deployed concentrated liquidity model, V3, will be officially announced next week. The SEC investigation does not imply any wrongdoing, and any unused funds in the Sushi DAO Legal Defense Fund shall be refunded.
Thank you for watching today.
Wishing you all the best in your cryptocurrency investments. May you experience success and make lots of money.